Ladies and gentlemen, Six Figs here, and we are going to be talking about the internet computer ecosystem, and we'll break down the charts in just a second. But we are going to be talking about the highly successful launch of the Pineapple Punk collection yesterday. Current floor price of 24 ICP. Look at this, folks, 21,400 ICP in volume. It is overtaking a lot of other crypto projects, as you guys can see. So this is very cool. I am a big fan of the Bitcoin Flower, ETH Flower, Pineapple Punks. The next collection we have to look forward to, I believe, is the ICP Flower. So I did go ahead and I picked up a good 5 of these things. The reveal is going down tomorrow, so it should be kind of interesting. Also, D-City's got something for us today. I think they're going to break some news to everyone. They say this is only the beginning, August 2nd, ICP. So it's August 2nd here, and we are kind of waiting for them to break whatever news they have. Also, if you're interested in getting into crypto mining, I partnered up with Jordan Mack, and we produced this little, I assisted him in producing this article on crypto mining. You want to get into it? This will tell you all the goods and bads. It's in Crypto Wendy's white paper this week. So check that out. I'll throw a link to this in the comments and things like that. So here we are looking at ICP. We had one heck of a nice run the last couple of days, up to about $9.48, 78 cents, somewhere in there. One thing that I do want to just mention here is the fact that we are closing candles above the Ichimoku cloud. We are opening and closing these candles. This is very important. Really, the last time this has ever happened was back in September of 2021. It's been this downward slope with this amazing tech ever since. We still got the falling wedge. We still got all of that. So right now, we might be in the midst of seeing a little Elliott wave theory to the upside here. And I do think that we might be seeing this impulse play out something like this. You know, you could argue this, a little retracement here, another run up here. You could also argue the fact that, hey, we might be looking at something like this. It's possible. We might be waiting for a little ABCDE correction to occur. All I know is today people are buying the dip. The bears are pulling the price down to $7.49, and the bulls are stepping in and buying this back up to about $8. So currently we've got the conversion line trading horizontally, and the baseline is still arcing upwards. So if we get a little bit of a bump here and we can tip this conversion line to the upside, I think we could see this continue on. But I do think that there could be this chance that we see some sort of symmetrical triangle happen, or even some sort of falling wedge happen here to get price action a little bit closer to this green Ichimoku cloud. Once that happens, price will be close enough to the cloud where we can start kind of moving vertically. There really isn't a good example of this on this chart because it's never done that yet. But we'll look into Bitcoin here in just a moment as well. So, I mean, this is just one of these things. I do think that we are going to see somewhat of a bull flag here, a bull pennant, the falling wedge, symmetrical triangle, what have you, form off of this. Let's just go ahead and look at this on the hourly. I mean, you can kind of see this little corrective wave that I was just kind of talking about here. So we got the ABC. Where is the DE? What, did they take it out of TradingView? So we got the ABC, unless I'm just missing it. My eyes are kind of off today. There it is. So we got the A, B, C, D, E, corrective wave that hit price action, just got a little bit too far away from this cloud. Right now we have a bull pennant on the charts, and it does appear that we may get a nice retest of about the $8.28 level, quite possibly. Conversion line and the baseline are trading horizontal, so I'm hoping that this thing doesn't break back down for the time being. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? So really, folks, let's just kind of talk about where this thing could go to the downside here. Bear with me 1 second as I get up my Fibonacci retracements. And so you can see right now we came down, bounced off the 382. You know, we could even see this 50% level. We could see this 61.8 level at $6.58, $7.19, $7.80. So yeah, I think $8.55 might be this next retest for ICP. Let's just go ahead here and flip-flop a few things. Bear with me 1 second. If this thing turns around and starts running again, yeah, this $8.70 level, $9.84, $11.28 level, and the $13.12 levels are kind of be what I'm going to be paying attention to from here. So really, folks, I think that Bitcoin is kind of doing some weird things here. We've got this nice little series of impulse waves to the upside. Really, you could almost construe this as Elliott wave theory to some extent. Currently on the 4-hour chart, we are bouncing or trying to bounce off the 50 moving average, stay above this cloud. Let's just look at this on the daily chart. You can see how Bitcoin is trying to work its way through this thick part of the Ichimoku cloud. But this is one of my more favorite setups to trade, is when price action breaks above the 50 moving average. You see this baseline, you see this red conversion line start trading parallel horizontally above the 50. Man, I tell you what, we start to see this conversion line break upwards, we are going to see Bitcoin break next. And I do think that there would be a shot to see Bitcoin run all the way up to about $33,000. If it breaks down, $21,300 some odd dollars for a retest of the 50 moving average. But if we can get above this Ichimoku cloud, folks, I think we will be absolutely golden to reach this $33,000-ish level. So, I mean, that's kind of what's going on with the market, and it's going to influence a lot of the altcoins like ICP. So we'll get into this. If anything crazy starts happening, we'll start the coverage ASAP. So thanks for watching. If you guys are interested in any ICP dApps in the ecosystem, I've got end screens here. You can check out some videos that I've done on some of the sweet stuff going on within the ICP ecosystem. And we will do a reveal video of my PineapplePunks tomorrow when it happens. So we'll see you guys all on the next video.